Is your Windows operating system reporting the Backup Library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. While preparing the manual steps for Backup Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Backup Library, the core Windows backup and restore engine shim. It interfaces with the VSS, Volume Shadow Copy Service, to request point-in-time snapshots of the file system. It manages the low-level DeviceIoControl calls required to access block-level data while files are open, facilitating the creation of system images and the orchestration of vhdx backup manifests. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Backup is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scannow from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Backup Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Replacing Backup Library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. One approach to reviewing Backup Library references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. Thank you for trusting us with Backup Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.